It is now your turn to try to solve the equation, the third root of the quantity 3t plus 14 equals 2, and to formally check your solution. Please pause the video, attempt this on your own in your lecture note packet first, then return to the video to check your work. The first step in solving the equation, the third root of the quantity 3t plus 14 equals 2, is to make sure that we have a radical term isolated. The equation we were given had the radical already isolated on the left side of the equation, so we'll now try to remove that radical using the opposite operation. The opposite of taking the third root of something is raising something to the third power. So we will raise both sides of this equation to the third power. On the left side of the equation, the third root of something raised to the third power will cancel out, leaving us with 3t plus 14. On the right side of the equation, 2 to the third power is 8. So we end up with the equation 3t plus 14 equals 8. At this point, we no longer have a radical equation, but a linear equation, and we'll follow our standard equation solving process. We'll first subtract 14 from both sides of the equation. When we subtract 14 from both sides of the equation, we will be left with 3t equals negative 6. And to finish solving for t, we will divide both sides of that equation by 3, and dividing both sides of the equation by 3 will leave us with t equals negative 2. So now we have solved the equation, but we still need to formally check this solution. To check whether negative 2 is or is not a solution, we need to substitute negative 2 into the original equation and confirm that it gives us a true statement. So we need to confirm that the third root of the quantity 3 times negative 2 plus 14 actually equals 2. Well, order of operations, we need to perform the multiplication underneath the radical first. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. So we have the third root of the quantity negative 6 plus 14, asking does that actually equal 2? Continuing with underneath the radical, negative 6 plus 14 is 8. So we're now checking, is the third root of 8 equal to 2? The third root of 8 is in fact 2. And so we have checked that this is a solution. We have obtained a true statement, and so we simply need the solution statement. The solution is negative 2. Or, if you prefer, the solution set is the set negative 2.